Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today I've got a really quick tip for you guys that I've just found in the Glowforge user interface. You may not know about this, but if you're hard of seeing and you don't like the colors on the Glowforge user interface here, there are some different options that are available. There's a way to make the line thickness a little bit thicker, so if you have some trouble seeing this, I wanted to show you guys this really quick because a lot of people don't know about this. So what you can do is you can click on the three dots up top here where it says More, and then you're going to come down to Preferences. You click on Preferences, and then right here is Colors. So we have it on default right now. You can turn it on like high contrast, so if you don't like blues, it has like the pinkish red for the engraved areas. Or there's some beta options too. As you can see, that completely switched up the colors. You have like the blues and greens, and then a lighter blue and green, and then you have the dark blue or dark red and dark blue here. So I think this one stands out the most. And then instead of like precise lines, you can actually click on more visible, and you can see those got much more pronounced there, kind of out there in your face. So if you're having trouble seeing it, that's how you can change up the colors. You can change up the lines, all from preferences there. Let's try out that high contrast one, see what that looks like. So we've got orange and then like a pink there. So that's kind of a unique looking color there if you like that. Reminds me of a check engine light almost. So maybe you wouldn't like that. Let's click on preferences and let's go to this one. This one was kind of cool. Got green and blue. So yeah, pretty much that. I know this is kind of a one-off thing, but it's something that I wanted to bring attention to because some people say that they have troubles seeing the actual lines on the Glowforge user interface. So I wanted to bring that up to you guys just in case, and thought it was something that a lot of people never really talk about or know of. So I'm going to just change mine back to default. But other than that, I hope this helped you out, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.